Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, mods and what, trónónama, conas atá muid fáiltearás faoi Gaeilge Weekly agran céad is a nídéag. Is Liam ó Learn Irish Online. Agus is mór an privilege é dumsa. It's a big privilege for me. Margóni, as always, hon a bheith ag labhairt live an Tseachtain seo. Riv a thosaíonn muds an Tseachtain seo, bhí mé ag géirí rud amháin a rá, nó rud amháin a ógrú to announce or to say something, agus sin go bhfuil mé ag géirí sais mailbag edition gen fud craile a dhéanú i gceann cúpla seachtain. I want to do a bit of a kind of mailbag edition or going through your emails and messages in a few weeks. Tá mé géirí dul trí worgwood rifust agus teachtarachtaí i gceann cúpla seachtain ar an bud craile. So, má tá si bhí géirí teachtarachtaí na rifust a cheola isteach if you want to send in emails or messages. And I want to hear, tá mé géirí clostal, the scale maidir le Gaeilge Weekly. What is your story in terms of Gaeilge Weekly? Cén fá a bhíonn tú ag éisteacht, cá míonn tú ag éisteacht, is cuma má tá tú ag éisteacht i Godamara, nó má tá tú ag éisteacht san Astráil, nó má tá tú ag éisteacht in Argentina, nó sna Stáit Aontaithe, nó im lá clia, nó Belarus, nó sa Rúis, is cuma cá míonn tú ag éisteacht leis an bud craile aon scéalta simúla in interesting stories, maidir leis a bheith ag éisteacht leis an bud craile aon áitina dhearfriúla agus a míonn tú ag éisteacht a d'aon ar an míonn tú ag éisteacht ag tomáint isteach chuig an obair. Do you listen driving into work? Do you listen walking the dog and mean to ag éisteacht agus tos ag siúl le the wadra? Really interested to hear tá lán sim agam chun clostal na scéalta atá ag daoine a chlostal. Timpeall na hÉireann, timpeall an domhan le cúna dé, so is féidir leat rifust a cheola chuigam ar liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com. So that's liam.learnirishonline@gmail.com. No teachtarachta a message a cheola chuigam ar Instagram. Sin Learn Irish Online ar Instagram. Our DMs are open. Tá na teachtarachtaí oscailte an sin is féidir leat teachtarachta a cheola chuigam ar Instagram freisin. Agus I gceann caiiciis gapam in 2 weeks, I think gonna do an episode reading through some of those emails and messages, hopefully. Le cúna dé I gceann caiiciis tá mé chun agran dhéanamh ag léamh tríd cúpla ceann de na rifust agus na teachtarachtaí sin. Arénos, conas atáid an Tseachtain seo tá mise arás is Seville an or dhearannach ará mé ag labhairt libh bhí mé fós in éireann agus thuaigh mé arás go héireann ar feadh seachtain amháin chun beagnaíonn an a chathu. An sin ní raibh mé arás riadí le haigh éon cúis amháin. I wasn't back for any kind of one reason, ach just an cuairt a thabhairt ar ma hismothirí ar ma chrádsbhaile ar chumné na Gaillimhe agus cathair na Gaillimhe freisin Galway City as well. Cé go mín mé ag fannacht thart ar 20 nóiméad tíomh mu de chun in Gaillimhe, even though I stay about, or cathair na Gaillimhe go manisce, even though I stay about 20 minutes outside Galway City agus mise arás while I'm back. Chat mé ó bhd níos mó ama ag ionnaí na Gaillimhe an or seo ná mar bhíonn mé de gnáth than I do usually when I'm back. De gnáth cé go bhfuil sé, cé bhfuil mar chrádsbhaile sách congrach the cathair na Gaillimhe, even though my village is fairly close to Galway City. I don't tend to really go in or do much in Galway City that often. De gnáth ní bhíonn mé tíbhaiste ag cathair na Gaillimhe rovinnic. Ach an or seo chat mé ó bhd níos mó ama tíbhaiste an sin. Just doing a few different things, I guess. Ag sin a cúpla rud difriúil is tóca. For example, I was speaking a bit last week, if we make labhairt beagnaíonn an Tseachtain seo faoi tóca rudaí atá le fáil in éireann agus rudaí atá le fáil chun ceannach in éireann, things that are kind of available to buy in Ireland, nachhfuil le fáil an seo agus mar dheallir sin nuair a héim arás déanamíocht na rudaí sin a cheannach onas go mbeidh siad agam feadh cúpla mí eile anseo. Try to kind of get them there so that I'll have them for a few months then while I'm over here in Spain. Mar hampla cearnaí records. Okay, tá lán siopaí cearnaí agus lán siopaí vinyl anseo is sa bhfuil beidir má tá tú ag éisteacht leis an budcréile le cúpla mí anuas. Thula sibh go bhfuil seintear cearnaí agam, bhí méid smaoinemh le cúpla bliain anuas faoi seintear cearnaí a cheannach about buying a record player ach am líana thart miúil ceapam? Thart miúil na múlúnasa faoi dhearra cheannaí mé seintear cearnaí agus tá mé fíor sásta leis ach ar nói. Sin just Latin Hebrew, that's only half the work or half the battle. You have to then start a bit of a collection and get a few records. Got to do bolúchan beag a hosú agus cúpla cearnaín all. And there's a great selection of vinyl record shops and vinyl markets as well here. So tá rá ionach just siopaí cearnaí an seo acomh má le sin margaí cearnaí agus margaí beidir le rudí eile ach tá cearnaí acu comh má. Ach ar nói ní féidir leat mór an ceol éarnach a cheannach an seo. Bín cúpla rud an seo is an siúd. There's a few things here and there. Tá the cores size mór an seo. No feictar cearnaí the cores arénos na siopaí an seo. You see the Cores albums here, U2 ar nó agus beidir cúpla banna eile buganín Sinead O'Connor. Ach seachas é sin ní bhíon mór an le fáil. Apart from that, there's not too much kind of available. And same with British music as well. A rud céine le ceol na mratana gohfuil rud éigen mar hampla so le Coldplay nó Oasis. Ach an sin má tá tú ag lurg rud éigen ó The Streets nó má tá tú ag lurg rud éigen le Jerry Cinnamon mar hampla. Tá sé bhád níos deachar chunt seacht rud éigen mar sin. It's a lot more difficult to find or come across something like that. So dúirt méid nuair a haim arás go Gaeilge, nuair a haim arás go héireann caithfí mé iarracht a dhéanamh. I have to try chun cúpla cearnaín ó cheannach an sin nach bhfuil le fáil an seo. So for méid nach raibh mis sonna sásta wasn't I happy out nuair a thuaigh mé isteach with golden discs an sin I gcathair na Gailge agus thunaigh mé go bhfuil best of album no compilation album ag the Coronas. Ní raibh agam mar thurbe mar bhí méid smaoinemh river okay má tá rud éigen le the Saw Doctors beidir go bhfuigh mé é sin má tá rud éigen le the Coronas déantaigh mé iarracht é sin all. Ach ní rá méid smaoinemh go méid best of ag the Coronas ach tá best of the early days ceapam an géad 3 album a bhí acu agus dumsa ceapam gur great na cín sin na album is far a bhí acu. Tony was an ex-con and was Heroes and Ghosts name of one of the other albums ceapam. A gréanamh ní raibh clám gur best of ag the Coronas agus ní raibh méid súil go méid sé sin ag golden discs an sin I gcon in na Gailge so cheannach an cean sin agus best of the Stereophonics mar bheadh sé sin deachar chun cheannach an seo. Cumh má le sin is tócha cúpla rud eile timpeall ar chathair Gailge just nach mín mé in an déanamh an seo is sa bhfuil. Tá mé gimmerte an Snúcar na leitheanta seo a lan Snúcar agus pool seo is tócha rud ag an nua agus obsession nó sim nua atá agam le cúpla mí anuas just thart bliain ó hin nó níos lú. But a year ago or a bit less, maybe 7 or 8 months ago, they're shocked no 8 mí hosí mé ag féchans ar bhád níos mó Snúcar an telefís agus Ronnie Sullivan agus John Higgins agus Mark Williams and Ding Mark Allen agus na lad seo agus bhain mé sora taithnamh agus le cara atá agam an seo cara as bhlá clia hosí muid ag immert buganí pool just ag teach torvanna ar ihe nach rudig sa le sin agus an sin hosí muid ag dul Gina pool halls an pool buganí níos daire bit more serious kind of pool immert agus hosí muid an sin ag immert Snúcar na bard pool. So ní léon bard Snúcar nó ní cheapam go léon bard Snúcar éonáit an seo is sa bhfuil ach tá cúpla bard pool while tá lán bard pool nó cúpla pool halls. So chain much an sin baimid actually ag dul a nacht we're going tonight as I record this agus mis ag taftú agus bín me jimmert Snúcar ar an pool table cé go bhfuil an pool table ó bhád níos lú ná an bard Snúcar fós I brian sé. So agus mis arás an tacht in Chicago while I was back last week touch me caithí mé dull air on snooker table cart, the big snooker table. It's so big, it'll amaze you if you've never seen or stood beside a full-size snooker table. Mona bhfuil taithí agat a bheith I cheasamh an sin dearcanacha le bauard snooker, bauard umlan ó bauard ceart snooker. Tá sé chomh mór sin. You can barely see from one side to the other, but bheoh nach bhfuil dúan an bheitcáil ó thaobh amháin go taobh eile. Ach bhí sé go hídach agus bhí ceacht snooker agam mar bhí mé géirí le aon skill ceapam nó le aon rud éigin sa le teanga a ólam nó éirí níos fearr ag sport cosúil le mar hampla snooker agus golf, tar an technique I gceist. There's a lot of kind of technique involved. Domsa tá sé bhád níos fearr chun just na fundamentals nó na rudaí bonusacha a bheith agat level anna ord, ní level anna ord, ach iad san a bheith arólas agat go maith. So to have them kind of really down or to know them really well, and then from there everything's going to be based off that by gachrad bunithe sin. Even when I'm teaching Irish to people, fiú nervím ag múna na Gaeilge dhaoine, I always speak about that. Get the basics or the main things down really, really well, and that'll always stand by you. Má tá na rudaí bonusacha agat agus tá siad agat an anha. Tá siad agat de glan bhíáir, you know them off by heart, an sin by gachrad tar éis sin I bhfad níos éasca. So sin cad rinne bhí ma woundstore nó an lad ag carlam bhí sé anha agus charí sé go mórlam. Buchas le dé tosag me lán snooker halls agus pool halls tá si dúnta le fiche nó trocha blian inús. A lot of kind of pool or snooker halls are closed now over the last 20-30 years. Might be one of the only kind of sports or games that's actually getting less popular. Bridget Shimmer, Sean, Jenna teen sport atá ag éirí níos lú. Agus actually níos lú daoine ag imirt an sport ag gomráid le fiche blian ó hin. We always hear I gcónaí clusian mud faoi na sport eile about the other sports, how big they're getting. You can't even get on a waiting list for an athletics club in Ireland now, and you féidir that fall few ar an list of feitheamh le haid club luchasíochta in éireann faoi láthair. And paddle, for example, a big paddle is getting where every child wants to play rugby now. Tá gach páis de géirí rugby imirt anish. But with pool and snooker, it feels to me, obviously, I was born in the year 2000, Rogus of Lean Gavila May, so I have no actual memory of it. Níl cuimhne agamche. But from stories I've heard, a scéalta tá cluist agam in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, especially 80s and 90s, pool and snooker was a much bigger thing in Ireland, and going to the pool hall, like dull go hala pool no hala snooker. But thankfully buíochas le dí a fósta áitségan I gcathair na Gaillimhe áitiúntaach dar bhan the Eglinton pool and snooker hall. And I heard there's a new one out in Ballyban. Thula mé goil ceann nua hall an sin I Ballyban freshen dar bhan an ball breakers na rud éigean mar sin. Dúirt mé ar thurlam nil sagam an snooker acu cumá nó beidir just pool amháin. So beidir lá amháin ba cheartm dul amach an sin agus tríal a bhaint as an áit sin ach bís le dí atá pool hall nó snooker hall ceart fós agin I gcathair na Gaillimhe mar cín se gohfuil a lán áitina timpeall na hhéir nachhfuil na háitina sin fáca. So bhí sé sin ionach agus an sin scéalháin eile scéalsach Granvergus Beidir gur léisibh an teidil atá ar an budcréile seo Seanbhoinn Snúcar agus Niall Quinn. So bhí mé gláirt faoin snooker beagganí na chuir faoin Seanbhoinn agus Niall Quinn. Well, by mé gláirt faoin Seanbhoinn, I'll be speaking about the old coins. That'll all make sense in a few minutes. Ach, dús beagganí aisteach gohfuil picture James Hain agus Niall Quinn. There's a picture of myself and Niall Quinn together as the cover of this podcast mar chlúdach on Fud Craila Show if you haven't already seen. So let me tell you how that happened and how that happens just last Friday on Halloween on chui a harla sé sin te hína se caite ihe hauna. On an scéal hosú mar is geart. To start the story properly, caiimiid dul arás go tús ma thurs arás go héireann an sachtain se caite. Agus thuaim éisteacht go chathair na Gaillimhe mar a dúirt mé bhí mé caithfh níos mó ama I gcathair na Gaillimhe an óir seo agus mise arás. Agus an sopa is fearlam I gcathair na Gaillimhe gan dabhas caithfí sé sin a bheith Charlie Burns Bookshop. Definitely, it has to be my favourite shop in Galway, Charlie Byrne's bookshop. Má táú I gcathair na Gaillimhe ag éon óir le cúna dé fiú má táú ag éisteacht leis an bud creile seo I gceann 5 bliana nó 10 mbliana, even if you're listening to this podcast in 5 years and 10 years. Le cúna dé by Charlie Byrne's fós oscailte by sé fós ar an bhód lá Harbheith bhrónach a bhaidheann an lá a rúnan si chíos. It'll be an extremely sad day the day they close down, and I hope, unlike a lot of other independent shops in Ireland and in Galway, they won't close down. Le cúna dé by sé difriúil ó Aláin áit san na nabhspleácha eile timpeall Héireann agus níl siad chun dúnú síos ach sin scéal le haghaidh lá eile. Bhí mé is té an sin I Charlie Byrne's ag dul tríd na leabhar difriúil leabhar dar lábha atá ann don chuideas mó second-hand books that they have for the most part. Agus bhí mé an sin sa sports section agus tháinig mé áisbeargaí nó ddírbh áisnéis le Niall Quinn. Manuel athnagat ar Niall Quinn, ceapam grá sé beidir mar an tain imreoir chun imirt ar son na Héireann in nach current Déanta in a Dimmermans. I think he might have been the only player to play in every single World Cup that we qualified for. Gandát Jimmer sé in níte nócha sa Nidal. He played in 1990 in Italia 90. Jimmer sé I 2002 I gur cheas agus an Japan in South Korea and Japan. Agus ceapam gur Jimmer sé is dócha Jimmer sé. I guess that he must have played in 94, then the one in between the two. Ach ní me cínse. Ach tá sag mé gur Jimmer sé sa dá cheann eile. Agus bhí sé an sin is Saipan ag 2002 nor tharla gachrod le Roy Keane, played for Sunderland, Arsenal, Man City, a few other clubs. Jimmer sé le Arsenal agus Sunderland, Man City, cúpla club eile agus tá lán rudí Déanta ige tíomh muid sin soccer fresh, and he's done a lot of things outside of soccer as well. He was a really good player, a really good forward as well. Imre Anwa a bhí an freshen, definitely one of the best Irish players to have played in the Premier League. Gnáth ceann Jenna Himmeroy is far tá tar éis imirt sa Premier League sa Reen Premier Hall I Sasana. So I bought his book, €3. It was €3 a bhí ann, nó an price a bhí air. It came out in 2003, tháinig sé amach I 2003, hart ar an am ceapam a thuí sé ar score around the time he retired. And I was reading it through the week, and it's a great read if you can get your hands on it. Má táú an an all ar líana nó a siopa dar lábha, leabhar anmha. Even if you're not a big football fan, it's still really interesting. Great insight. Ceapam dearcha ionach ag what it was like as an Irish player those days going over to England ag dul go sasnagus ar nó I bhí sé Jackar chun a few of it I dagháil le the chláint, being in contact with your family and staying in digs and the different stories, the dressing room and the stories of going out together and drinking the scéalta ag dul amach le céile agus a bheith ghól agus an crack is tóchas a seomar festis the crack in the dressing room as well. A wat ní samúla ná na scéalta atá ag na himreoirí an lá tá neahon ceapam, a lot more interesting than the stories that the players of nowadays might have, I think. So, leabhar anmha a down, tá mis heis leabhhealach tríd agus déhína, ihe hána, Halloween, last Friday. Bhí mé in airfort flog clia, bhí mé deirc tréis dul tríd na geataí slán dála, agus thrich mé ar mo geata. Agus mé ag fannacht an sin, bhí mé léamh gá leabhar actually, buganín gen leabhar Ted Kravitz, an leabhar nua Ted Kravitz ar Formula 1. The new Ted Kravitz Formula 1 book. He's a kind of reporter, tour score F1 atá ann Hall is Sasana over in England. Agus bhí mé léamh buganín gen leabhar Niall Quinn. Agus bhí mé ag fannacht ar an fógra boarding. I was waiting for the boarding announcement. Agus tháinig mé beidir 10 méadar os mo chóir nó 5 méadar os mo chóir. Tháinig mé lad ag dul go lad eile agus ag chur ceist there on rá sé an picture ó ga leis. So I saw one guy go up to another guy saying, can we take a picture together? Agus thug siad picture le chéile agus an sin rá sé slán leis an lad a thug sé picture leis. So he kind of said bye to the guy he'd taken the picture with, or he'd asked the picture for. So we make ceappa, níl aithne acu ar a chéile. They don't know each other, so it's dócha gur duine cáúil atá ann. I guess it must be a famous person, a celebrity. Agus bhí mis sé explain of like, ní rá mission an ach beidir cool a cheann a eáil. I was only able to see kind of the back of his head ag gnám, agus bhí cumar beidir lads na carcadí, nó ina chuigadí, na 40s or 50s, agus bhí mis ag smaoinmh seans má gur beidir former Dublin footballer atá an, like Kieran Whelan nó duine mar sin, so mis ag smaoinmh. Alright, anyway, grand, níl sim agam really I bitrí a hógáil le daoine chaúla, so ní ra mé ro bhórtha leis ach chuinne mé súlamach carín ó skep an aios. Agus tar éis cuaig nóid, thuí lad eile chuig an duine cháúil, an celebrity, agus thug siad picture le géile. Ach an óir seo chas sé timpeall. Dúrach rih a chas sé timpeall. Before he turn around, bhí mis ag smaoinmh nach méid sé an a granver dá méach sé Niall Quinn. Wouldn't it be very funny if it was Niall Quinn? And ní bhaid sé Niall Quinn, ach Jesus, nach méid sé an a granver. Ach, no, tá cuma beidir buganín roóg chun a bheith Niall Quinn. It looks a bit too young, just from the back of his head. It looks a bit too young. It doesn't have the same haircut cap him. Seasan an lad seo sús. This lad stands up. Casan sé timpeall. He turns around. Cé atá ann ach Niall Quinn agus mise ag léamh a leabhar hartar 2 méadar jeagháid nó 50 méadar wide, about 15 or 20 meters from I'm reading his book. Bhí mis like no feckin' way gohfuil sé seo ag tarlú. Agus ní like leabhar an a cháúil é seo, ní rá is agam fiú go rá leabhar nó go rá díormha áisnéis ag Niall Quinn. And I'm thinking, I'm in a dream here. Tá mise is simulation, no tá mise imringlóid an seo. Agus tuairt fé ní rá plán agam chun haid ará leis. I didn't have plans to say hi to him. Ach an sin dúirt fé, tá an leabhar agam, caiithim mé dul. Agus fiú mátá sé beaganín sin tuirse gas picture a hógáil le daoine. Even if he's a bit sick and tired of taking pictures of people, if I have the book, it'll be something different. It won't just be the same old, or can I have a picture on Will Main on picture o hogal. So an sin bhí an boarding announcement agus fear an dul. So riv a hui me is seach sa scúne before I went in the queue. Hui me chuig Niall, which my Niall agus an sin bhí an leabhar agam in my love. Agus bhí sé códeas agus cócinálta caiith mé rá. He was so nice and so kind, and we had a good laugh at the book. He couldn't believe it. Ní rá session in an a chreidú. Ní rá mise in an a chreidú ach an airad. I couldn't believe it either. But goodness me, I was thinking, what are the chances? Cad iad na seansana, that something like this would happen. Got our loch rudagan mar seo. And we chatted for a good 2 minutes, mainly about the book. Fim check Laura Trfa bidr cá nómaid for rudí jafrúla sa láwer agus scéalta jafrúla hug sé cúpla sunra sa bhreis dom faoi na scéalta faoi cean ó chóid sin na scéalta a luí mé one or two of the stories that I mentioned. You remember them well, considering this book was written 22 years ago and obviously would have been ghostwrited, explained gur hánig an leabhar seo mach níos mó ná 50 bliain ó hin agus nói scríb Iarasóir an leabhar seo ceapam scríb Tom Humphreys an leabhar ní mé cínse Humphreys an slide atá ar Arenos Irish Times journalist. Agus an sin bhí méid buzáil ar an Eisteacht ar fad hall go sasanna or go sasanna go Gian Spawn ceap actually grá Niall Quinn ag dul go sasanna ní rá sé ar an Eisteacht go Seville Arenos nó ní ceapam go rá sé ar an Eisteacht go Seville. But I thought, no way is this happening. The doors fine. Ní léon seans school sé seo ag tarlú. What are the chances while I'm reading his book right behind him? So that was a funny story. Sin scéal granver a bhí ann ar an ine agus mise ag teachtarás. Agus tá an picture de mise agus Niall Quinn mar chlúdach a bod gur ag seans go maiid sim an leabhar a eáil freisin I gcuid bheog gen chlúdach in a small part of the cover. So Niall Quinn in the unlikely event you're listening, but do géis the Niall míle buchas as a bheith cóh jaslum agus cóh cinálta lum agus mis ag teachsús agrá. I'm reading your book that came out 20 years ago. So bhí sé sin an Granbergs bhí sin gohéintach agus cúpla nóid éis sé sin dúirtrein sin scéal má le haid an podcréile an sachtain se thugan. That's a good story for the podcast next week. And yeah, the other thing that's on the title of the podcast, on Rodella atá ar hedgéil an fudcréile ná Seanbhoinn, mar agus mis arás tháinig mé cúpla Seanbhoinn, came across a few old coins in the punt or the Irish pound that we had. Let's call it punt, the Irish punt. We're on an Irish language podcast. I'm sure put Gaeilge Weekly on show. Found a few of them in my room, kind of full connection, 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p. Agus Jesus, tá siad cóbháilin. Mátá cúpla punt agat sa teach. Mátá 20p, 50p agat sin sean font of the old punt. Take it out this evening, have a look at it. Go hoiríthe na cían airgid, especially the kind of silver ones. Tá siad co-jazz. And this isn't a political statement. Ní ráiteas politiúla é seo. This isn't anything against the single currency or force by that matter. But rather just aesthetically, like O'Heave an cuma atá the appearance on it. Kick of jazz agus bhí na Seanbhoinn, the old coins in air, and the ones I had are mainly from the 90s on the nóchaidí, so didn't have any really old ones, but I don't think they changed after independence. Ní cheapam gur mór an difric taréis an navsblachas níl na cínse, because maybe we changed from shillings to the decimal system on course decimal níl na cínse. Ach, jeez, tá sé go jazz có simplí. Like, ní leann ach beidir capel, agus an sin dearann sé 50p, agus sin é just a horse and 20p, or dolphin, gelf agus an sin 50p, agus ní léon rud eile, an harp ar nói an tíbhfuil, agus tá cuma níos fearr an harp, tá sin níos mó freisin ná mar atá sé ar an euro. It's bigger than is in the euro, and I actually took them back. Thug mé iad lo agus mise ag teacht arás an seo chuig Seville. I said I want them in my apartment in Seville and put them in my collection. I have a small collection tá bailí chun beag agam de buin size pre-euro coins, so mar hampla an Italian lira and the French rank and the Deutschmark agus cín mar sin. Tá bailí chun beag agam an seo sa teach. Ní aon rud speisialta agus ní aon rud luachmhar, not anything valuable. Tá cúpla geán agus tuairt mé caiithimé na cín sin ó thabhairt lom agus a bheith agam sa teach an seo. So, tá siad cóbháilin agus go hoiríthe gach ceann ó 10p and up ceapam na cín airgid, the silver ones. Cé go simplí agus tá 10 cent agam an seo ar an márad ar an desk, agus mé sé taft we have 10 cent here as I'm recording on the desk. And just tá number rudí air agus fiú just an da atá agus an texture níl se có jazz agus níl mór an ar nói tá mé beagnaí cléanta, bit biased, ach fiú ag féchan seir maidin faoin is tóchan na buin eile, the other coins, agus ag féchan sríd an chuid eile den bailúchan atá agam. Níl mór an buin cóbháilin mar an sean font. There's very few coins, if any, as beautiful as the old punt, and especially with the little animals on them, and the ones from the 90s definitely have that na cín ó na nócaidí tá na hanmhíthe orthú ar aonas. And I might even buy a few older ones on eBay or Amazon at some time, ones from the start of the state, from the Free State, I guess, from 1920s, an Sears thought sna níd ag féithidí. So yeah, sin é, ní cheapan gohfuil mór an eile an teacht an seo is meascan de rudí de friúla a bhí ar siúil agam agus mise rá sin éir, and a kind of good mix of different stuff I was up to while I was back in Ireland. Ach, ceapam gohfuil sé sin gachard, so mar dúirt mé má tá tú gurí rifost nó teachtracht a cheola huigam lá an mailbag edition ag an cúpla seachtain ar is cáil tú a géisteacht an bhfuil tú a géisteacht hís an sin the mines san Astral nó bhfuil tú a géisteacht just I lór bhaillethe clia nó ag gunnaí na chailmhe gunnaí nim lí an bhfuil tú a géisteacht é Argentina nó Bermuda nó ein scéalta simúla maidir le a bheith a géisteacht leis an budcréile cin fá a bhíonn tú a géisteacht le the fudcréile cin leagan sin fudcréile a bhíonn tú a géisteacht lóid ag an ná what one of the versions of the podcast you listen to normally bheith sé fear simul dumsa chunmar gcuid scéaltaí chlustal. And as I said, you can send them in by email or by messages féidir leat iad a cheolalas teach le rifos nó le teachtracht rifos liam.learnirishonline @gmail.com, punk meaning dash, so liam.learnirishonline @gmail.com. No, just teachtracht DM direct message ar Instagram. Agus fiú má tá tú géisteacht ar Patreon freisin teachtracht ar Patreon tá sin cearc golóir comh. That's okay as well. As always, Maragoni, míle buchas as a bheith géisteacht leis an show. Guys, big thank you. Hope you enjoyed tá siúlagam gur bhain sibh taitneamhas. Agus cin fá nach ndéontaí tú éireacht Beiidir chun éisteacht leis an leagan omláin in níos seo. Why not have a go at the full version of the podcast after this? I'll be talking about the exact same things in pretty much the same order by Meg Larch Fina Rudy Kana, San Ordu Kana. So I'm going to put a lot of these messages on the end of the podcast from now on. Tommy an éisteacht hon an sais teachtarach nó an smuoin of seo a chur ag gera an fud creile as seo amach. Have a go now if you have the time, or maybe tomorrow or this evening or whenever. An nocht, no morach, no pay or pay law. Have a listen to the full version and see, I bet you'll understand more than you think you will. Cínte go to a níos mó with a hiiscint ná mar cheapan tú, because you already have the context and the topics from this show. Tá na topic agus an cóhiig stagat ón show seo. That's it, guys. Big thank you. Míle buchas. Speak to you guys next week. La Romy live. An Sachtan seo hugan slán agus bannacht.